Assalamu alaikum viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholars. In this video, we will talk about Africa's Big Five. Welcome to our exploration of Africa's Big Five. In this video, we will journey through the African wilderness to learn about the lion, elephant, buffalo, leopard, and rhinos. Five of the most iconic and fascinating animals of the continent. Number 1 on our list is the African lion, Panthera leo. Known as the king of the jungle, lions are powerful predators that live in prides. They are social animals with complex social structures and roles within their prides. Habitat lions are found in savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands across sub-Saharan African. Here are some of the interesting facts about them. Male lions have majestic manes that can vary in color and size, which can indicate their age and health. Lions are the only big cats that live in a social groups. Conservation status: vulnerable due to habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching. Second are the African elephant, Loxodonta africana. The African elephant is the largest land animal on earth. They are known for their intelligence, complex social structures, and strong family bonds. Elephants are found in diverse habitats, including savannas, forests, deserts, and marshes throughout Africa. Some of the interesting facts about them: elephants have remarkable memories and can recognize location, individuals, and even other species. The trunks are highly versatile, used for feeding, drinking, and social interaction. Conservation status: vulnerable with threats including habitat destruction, human wildlife conflict, and ivory poaching. Third one is the African buffalo, Censurus scapher. Also known as the Cape buffalo, these animals are known for their strength and unpredictable nature. They live in large herds and are highly social. Buffaloes are found in savannas, grasslands, and forests across sub-Saharan Africa. Some of the interesting facts about them: buffaloes have strong social bonds and exhibit collective decision making within herds. They are known to defend each other against predators, including lions. Conservation status: least concern, but they face threats from habitat loss and diseases. Number 4 is the African leopard, Panthera pardus. Leopards are solitary, elusive, and highly adaptable big cats. They are known for their strength, agility, and beautiful spotted coats. Leopards habitat a wide range of environments, from rainforests and savannas to deserts and mountainous regions across Africa. Some of the interesting facts about them: leopards are excellent climbers and often stash their prey in trees to avoid scavengers. They have a varied diet and can hunt both small and large animals. Conservation status: vulnerable due to habitat loss, human wildlife conflict, and illegal hunting. The African rhinoceros is last on our list. There are two species of African rhinos, the black rhinoceros and the white rhinoceros. Both are large, thick skinned herbivores known for their impressive horns. Habitats: rhinos inhabit savannas, grasslands, and shrublands in parts of eastern and southern Africa. Some of the interesting facts about them: the black rhino is more solitary and has a pointed upper lip, adapted for browsing, while the white rhino is more social and has a flat white mouth for grazing. Rhinos have poor eyesight but an excellent sense of smell and hearing. Conservation status: black rhino critically endangered due to poaching and habitat loss. White rhino near threatened, with southern white rhino populations recovering, but northern white rhinos critically endangered. Thank you for joining us on this adventure through the wilds of Africa to discover the Big Five. These magnificent animals are a testament to the continent's incredible biodiversity and the importance of conservation efforts. To protect them, stay tuned for more wildlife explorations and conservation stories.